SOSMS. Take it away.
Hello, I'm Kuslin.
And I'm Vicky.
And we are Team SOSMS, which stands for Save Our Souls Messaging Service. We came up with that name in the last 10 minutes. So we've created an app, not an app, a web page and a system that allows you to do emergency notifications by companies to alert all of their employees in case an emergency happens.
So the idea for this project came about when I thought about a couple of years ago. I was on my way to work when my friend sent me a Facebook message and said, "Don't come into work anymore, it's unsafe." So it had been raining heavily that week and the water levels were actually expecting to rise even more that day. So basically, what if I hadn't gotten a Facebook message from a work friend? What if I didn't have anyone at work who had me on Facebook to tell me that it wasn't safe to come into work anymore?
So what we've created is a way for companies to, like I said, notify all of their employees in case anything like this happens. Now, Vicky was really lucky in this case because she found out early and she didn't come into work, but if you hadn't known about that, you might have found yourself in a dangerous situation. So what we have done is we have two different pages that you can use. You have an admin page, which is used by the safety focal, where they can create incidents. This could be something like fires, flooding, intruders, and they can also send updates about incidents that have already happened, just so all the employees know what's going on and what's being done. And you can also see a list of users that are marked as being safe. So for the employees, when something happens, they'll get an instant SMS notification and email, and that'll come to their work and their personal email accounts. And the text message and email will not just have an overview of what's happened, but it'll also have a link to the online page where they can see what's happened, where it's happened, and receive live updates. So that's just the UI for that. So we'll go into a demo for that.
So for this demo, I will be the safety focal and Kuslin will be an employee. So, a fire has just broken out on level 14 and my job as a safety focal is to record this in the system. Okay, so this is a really basic web page where I can easily just input some basic information and send it to our server. And basically, this sends out an SMS and email to everyone's personal and work accounts. And we are using the Telstra messaging API to send the SMS, text messages, and for the emails,
we're using an open source library called NodeMailer. And thanks a lot to Steve from Telstra for helping us get a Telstra number that we could actually receive text messages from. So, yeah. Cool. So I received a text message. I'm just open that. And basically just says emergency, fire in level 3, please stay safe, and then see updates here, and then there's basically a link that I can click on. So we'll just show you that here. So it's a little bit small. But yeah, so you wouldn't know, but this page actually said there were no incidents before, and then once Vicky reported an incident, basically I can see that here, there's a fire in level 3, and then I get asked if I'm at work or not, because I might be on my way. So if I say no, let me just close this. Let me refresh. Is it so already? Okay, sorry. Yep. Oh, sorry, something's happened. But basically, if I send out another, can I just do a quick change?